What's up everybody? This is part 2 of the bar cart that I'm building for the Rockler Bentwood Challenge. Now I need to build the trays, but since the beginning of the project I really had no idea how I was going to do that. I've always wanted to try pressing layers of veneer over a form to get a certain shape, so I reached out to a small family-owned company who specializes in that type of thing called VacuPress. And they agreed to sponsor this channel by supplying me with some absolutely incredible equipment that I'm so excited to play with. So a huge thank you to VacuPress. I'll put a link in the description below. Go show those guys some love, and now let's go get started on those trays. So the veneer that I ordered just came in the mail, and I wanted to do a little test on it to know how bendy it would be before I built the form, but I don't think I'm gonna have any problems with that. Check this out. So I got this stuff from the big box store, and it's got a 3/4 inch radius, and I think it'll be fine for the form I want to build. All right, I'm just gonna cut up some MDF and build the form I need for the trays. My veneer sheets all cut into rectangles, and I cut it in a way so that the grain would be running in different directions every other sheet. Now I just need to mark and cut out the corners so the veneer can bend down over the form on all 4 sides. All right, I think we're all ready to go. My veneer's all cut out. I have a piece of this breather netting, and I made some little wood blocks so I could tack the veneer down to the form so it won't move during the glue up. I'm only gonna do the first 2 pieces, so I'm gonna do this in stages, but other than that, I think we're ready to roll. I am so happy with how this first one came out. So now I just got to do it all again and add a few more layers. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Here's tray number 2. I glued this one up just like the first one, but I'm about to pull this one out of the bag and then I can start trimming both of them down to their final size.
So my shout out this week is going to be at Weber Workshop. And he is working on, if you could imagine, a bent wood bar cart. And it is really coming out awesome.
A huge thank you to all of my supporters on Patreon, especially Antonio Magtoto, Robert Barnowski, Wood by Nate, Felix, and Mark Yates. If you want to support me and get a shout out at the end of one of these videos, just find me on Patreon. See you later.